Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color.
A, A for N, B, B for banana, C, C for car, D, D for drum, E, E for eagle, F, F for frog, G, G for giraffe, H, H for horse, I for igloo, J, J for jelly, K, K for kangaroo, L, L for lamp, M, M for mouse, N, N for nurse, O, O for owl, P, P for pencil, Q, Q for quilt, R, R for rainbow, S, S for snake, T, T for turtle, U, U for unicorn, V, V for violin, W, W for whale, X, X for x-ray, Y, Y for yacht, Z, Z for zoo, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.